Hi. Today we're going to be talking about Minecraft and its educational benefits. Now, Minecraft is a sandbox game, so that pretty much means that we can build and create many different things. Now, Minecraft has its own inbuilt circuitry system, so that's what I'm going to be using today. Now, Minecraft has two different playing modes. There's single player and multiplayer. Now, single player has three different game modes that you're allowed to use. Survival, Hardcore, and Creative. Survival and Hardcore are mainly for fun, and they're both pretty much the same mode. But Creative allows us to have unlimited resources, free flying, so that's easy to move around, and we can destroy blocks instantly. So that's what we're going to be using to create our circuits. Now, we're going to be using a Minecraft server just to demonstrate what can be done with other people and allow us to pretty much see just the commands, because in single player you can't use many commands, but on multiplayer servers you can add many different commands that can control the environment around you. Now, Minecraft has many different modifications that can be added. So there's one called Techit, where you can add the ability to even create things like space stations, but for simplicity we're just going to be sticking to using circuitry, Minecraft circuitry. So this is just for reference. This is a torch. It provides no power source in our circuits. It just provides a really large light source. It's raining, just let me change it to sunny. Yep, so that just provides a light source, whereas this one, it provides a slight light source, but this is what we use for our power outlet, like power source. So this is a redstone torch. Now, we're going to move over and see some circuits today. So here we have our redstone torch connected to some redstone wire. So this is just like a basic copper wire, or the Minecraft equivalent. And you can't really do the whole circuitry all the way around, like connect the circuit up, because that's not the way Minecraft works. This wire works both ways. So if we were to break it, turns the light off, connect it, it'll light it back up. Now the same sort of situation is happening here with this lever. See, the lever is blocking off the power current, and we're able to flick the lever and turn the light source on. This pretty much works vice versa. Now, in Minecraft, you don't necessarily need a power source to provide a light, or even a power source at all. So with buttons, that's the case. You can press it, it'll turn on a power, it'll provide a power source, but not for very long. So that's where something else can come in handy if you just want something to open and close, or do something very briefly. Now, because buttons only work briefly for a short amount of time, I've created a system that allows us to press a button and to keep a light source turned on. So if we press the button, it moves the piston and the light source stays on. So I'll explain how this works. So when you press the button, this powers up all of this, which in turn turns off both of these redstone lights. And when the redstone lights turn on, it makes one of the pistons push to the other side. Now, because there's a redstone torch here and it's underneath all the other circuitry, it won't connect to anything. But when I press the button, this piston will move over the top of it, and the power source will be flowing through it, which will now flow all the way through to the light source. I'll demonstrate what I mean. So the light source is covered now, and there's a connection between the redstone torch and the light. There are many different things that can be done with this, as you can add even pressure plates for demonstrations. And this works exactly the same way as buttons. Step on it, and it turns on. Now, I'm going to show you just what can be done with Minecraft architecturally and in groups. So this is a server me and my friend have made. That's him there. We've built many different things. This is just for fun, so it's nothing too fancy, but this can be used for scaling and architecture, so it does have a lot of benefits, and it's quite creative for children as well if they did want to play around with it. Anyways, thank you for watching. See ya.